Hi everyone, my name is Grace and I'm doing an internship through UNM, and today I will be showing you how to make marble paper using shaving. Supplies you will need are shaving cream, some watercolor or food dye, a plate, a skewer or a toothpick, a knife. I have this tray to wipe off the extra, but you can use some paper towels, some paper. Cardstock works better, but regular paper will work just fine. This is how you make marbled paper, and now if you want to, we're going to take it a step further. Now we'll be showing you how to make bubbled shaving cream art. The only extra supplies you will need are a stencil, a bowl and some paintbrushes, and glue. Leave some time for your artwork to dry, and when you come back, it should be nice and puffy. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have fun trying this at home.